Hi, Michael Dresdner here. Today we're working on guitars, rebuilding worn or damaged nut slots with GluBoost MasterGlu. Using the vinyl tape from the Endpoint Mark Mask system, create a retaining dam on the bone nut. Then use GluBoost MasterGlu to fill the slot. The string will hide the repair, but if you want a color match, mix some powdered bone with the MasterGlu and use that to fill. When it's cured, protect the adjacent wood with MasterShield tape, sand as needed, and recut the slot to the correct depth with a nut slotting file. Remove the tape and you have a solid nut with a reliable, invisible repair.